Welcome to our easy guide on how to shop from AliBaBa for personal use. Let's discover the exciting world of online shopping. First, we'll go through the simple process of creating your AliBaBa account. Grab your email and let's get started. Once your account is created, it's time to navigate the website. Let's explore product categories and learn how to find what you need quickly. Always do your research. Check product quality, supplier ratings, and read reviews to ensure you're making the right choice. Next, let's talk about minimum order quantities, or MOQ. Understanding this will help you decide what to buy. Use search filters to refine your results and find exactly what you're looking for. This makes shopping easier. Let's move on to placing your order. From adding items to your cart to your final checkout, we'll walk you through it. AliBaBa offers multiple payment options to make transactions easy and secure. Let's look at what's available. Now it's time for shipping. We'll explore choices you have for shipping options and how to track your order effectively. Finally, here are some tips for a successful shopping experience. Avoid common pitfalls and follow the best practices to shop smart.